Here's what's next. Remember this thing where like we can actually go to a URL and get all these like jobs,
Yes.
right? And this is called hitting an API.
Okay.
And the data structure that we get is actually a list of dictionaries, right? Here's the square brackets. Then each element in here is a dictionary.
Yes. Squiggly.
Squiggly brackets. So oftentimes what we want to do is like we get these like really big dictionaries.
Yes.
And oftentimes we want to go one by one and just select a single element
Right.
from the dictionary.
Right. You don't want to read all this.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's do that with the example of the grandkids.
Yes.
And then we'll move on to doing it with the API.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah. All right, cool. So now we have these grandkids.
Okay.
Now, let's think about what's happened. If we go through the components of this list,
Yes.
each element in the list this time is a dictionary. So let's think about what that means. Let's just go through for grandkid in grandkids.
Kids.
Because for every one of the elements in this list,
Yes.
colon,
Right. Colon.
we want to do what? Let's just print it.
Okay.
So what type of data will we see if we print each grandkid? Oh, sorry, grandkid.
Probably won't see anything.
No, we're printing, so we're going to see it.
Oh. Then you'll see everything that you just printed, that you just typed in.
So what will each grandkid be?
He is probably a... Is that a value? No, it's not a value. It's a... What is it?
It's the entire dictionary. You're going to see, because each element in the list is the entire dictionary.
Okay,
so
let's see
that.
it.
See that?
It copied the exact same thing.
But there's no list anymore. It just went to the first grandkid. The first element in the list is a dictionary. Then it's let grandkid equal the second element in the list. That's a dictionary. Then it'll let it equal the third element. That's okay.
Okay.
So now let's think about this, something harder. Imagine now that we want to print out just the age. Okay? So how am I going to print out just the age of each grandkid? So let's think about it. Each grandkid is going to take turns being a separate dictionary.
Yes.
So the first time grandkid is going to be this dictionary. Right? How do we then get the age? Now we go through it. It's Emmett. We want to print out the age.
Yeah.
I have this dictionary. How do I select the value of 4 or find out what the age is from this dictionary?
Is it like, would it be a 1?
No. So that's with a list, but very close. With a dictionary, it's square bracket, age. Right? Because we're
print grandkid age only.
Right. So go through each grandkid, select the age from the dictionary.
But you didn't do the for in statement.
Right, I did it right here. For grandkid.
Oh, so you just have to put it on top.
Yeah, because we're going through each individual element.
Right. I thought you had to do it for the bottom too.
Nope.
So and you also wrote the word print.
Yeah.
Print grandkid. This is important. The parentheses.
Square bracket.
Square bracket instead of squiggly brackets.
Right, because when you select elements from a dictionary, we use the square brackets.
Okay, print it.
See that?
Yes.
Now we'll say try to select the weight.
Okay.
So say for grandkid in grandkids.
You had to say that again?
Well, yeah, we're going to kind of do this again.
All right.
Now this time, we want to select, let's say, the education.
Okay.
So we're going to go to the first time grandkid points to Emmett. And we say, okay, grandkid, select the education.
Right. Square bracket.
Right. And then we'll print it. So we're going to
print, whoa. Parentheses because it's going to do something.
Which is printing.
Which is printing the education, and you quotation marked it.
Because that's my key.
That's
key.
Yeah, so those are important things, these little doodads.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I press this, and now this goes through.
What the hell did you press?
I press Shift Return.
Shift Return.
There you go.
Yes.
So I go through each element in my list.
Yes.
Goes through, okay, first this element is this guy. Grandkid points to the first dictionary. Grandkid points to the second dictionary. Each time, grandkid, it then selects the education, which is pre-K the first time.
Yes.
Then it goes to the next guy, selects the education, which is third grade for Ellie. Goes to the next one, selects the education.
Parentheses, grandkid, square bracket, quotation, education.
Got it?
Got it.